Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send high quality photo or HD photo on Messenger. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you can open up your Messenger application on your mobile phone, or you can open up the Messenger from your Facebook. You just need to go to your Facebook and then you can click on this icon to open up the Messenger like this. And I'm just going to open up my Messenger app on my mobile phone. Okay, and for example guys, I'm going to send HD photo to my group chat on Messenger. I'm going to open up my group, and then if you want to send photo or image, we can click on this icon, and then you can select photo from your device you want to send. And I'm going to select photo from my camera. Wait guys, I'm still choosing my photo. Where's the photo? Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this photo, and if you want to set it as HD photo, you can click on edit, and then you can activate the HD quality. Just click on the HD quality, and then the photo will be set as HD quality photo, and you will be able to send it. Tap on the send button if you want to send it to your group chat. Okay, now it's done. Now the photo is being sent, and if you want to send photo to your personal chat, the step is the same. Just open up the personal chat and then click on the picture icon and choose the photo you want to send. I'm going to select oops, sorry. I'm going to choose photo from this one. Okay, go to edit and click on HD quality to activate HD quality photo. And once you're ready to send it, you can click on the send button. Okay, now it's done. That's so easy, right? Okay, basically you just need to activate the HD quality to send HD quality photo on Messenger. Okay guys, and that's all the way to send HD quality photo on Messenger. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.